Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 168A Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to place order for their items on 168A Chinese shopping app. And I decided to make a video about it and show you on how you can simply place order on 168A Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a step-by-step tutorial, a complete China importation guide. Let me show you how. Just like what you see on my WhatsApp right here, these are all the products that we want to place order for right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here, and then this is the product link right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on the product link right here to proceed. Just like so. So this is the product right here. Okay, I have already had the product to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then simply click on here to proceed to my cart. And all the products we have in the cart is going to be shown right here. Then from here, we can proceed to payment of this particular order right here. So this is the first link and the second link right here. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or IDPs, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the first product right here, and go ahead and select the second product right here. Just like so. Having selected the two products, next time I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. From the checkout right here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down right here, continue to scroll down, and then what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here to choose your means of payment. So right here, this particular store here supports 3 means of payment, but in this tutorial, I'm going to use Alipay. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and select Alipay. Having selected Alipay, I'm paying the sum of 49.60 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So allow the Alipay to connect, just like what you see right here. Then go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. And payment done, successful right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment. I'm going to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Having screenshot proof of payment, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on this particular point right here to close this pump up. Then by the time I refresh my cart, you find out that the product is no longer here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. Click on here to go back. Then go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go to my profile. So I'm getting to my profile. By the time I refresh, the 2 products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So right here, so let's find out. So here we go. This is the first product and the second item right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and send a proof of payment to the person that asked me to place this order on 1688. I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here and go ahead and come back to my WhatsApp right here so you can see the product link 1 and link 2 and their shipping address right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here to upload the proof of payment right here, attach then my gallery, select the proof of payment and say payment done. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, whether on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, IDPs, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce platform website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.